I am Anita Singh and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today I am going to teach you social science topic of grade 5, the land of sand. Topics which I would be covering here are desert, location, geography of Saudi Arabia, climate, plant life, animal life, the people and lifestyle, industry and trade in important cities. These are the brief introduction of the land of sand chapter. Dear students, as we take the name of sand, desert click in our mind. What is a desert? A desert is an area which receives scanty rainfall. There are various types of deserts. Cold deserts, the tundra in Russia is the example of cold deserts. Hot deserts, Sahara Desert is the example of hot desert. Similarly, Thar Desert, California Desert, these are the example of hot deserts. Let's know about deserts. Location of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is dry land with scanty rainfall, and Oasis is a fertile place in a desert where water is available. What is the location of Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia lies in Southwest Asia. It occupies most of the Arabian Peninsula, and Saudi Arabia is sandwiched between the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea. Let's understand the geography of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia occupies most of the Arabian Peninsula with the Red Sea and the Gulf of Al-Quaba to the west, the Persian Gulf to the east and the Yemen to the south. The total length of its land boundaries is 4,431 kilometers. Jordan 774, Iraq 814, Kuwait 222, Qatar 60, the United Arab Emirates 457, Oman 676 and Yemen 1458. Now let's understand about the climate of Saudi Arabia. The climate of Saudi Arabia is marked by high temperatures during the day and low temperatures at night. The country follows the pattern of the desert climate with the exception of the southwest, which features a semi-arid climate. Let's know about the plant life of Saudi Arabia. Almost 3,500 species of plant have been recorded in the country, with nearly 1,000 species known from the southwestern region of Asia with its high rainfall. Plants in general are xerophytic and mostly dwarf shrubs or small herbs. There are few species of tree, but date palms are abundant in places. In Saudi Arabia, plants that can live and survive the heat and water shortage can grow. Let's know about the animal life of Saudi Arabia. The most useful and important animal found here is the camel. It is called the ship of the desert. Birds and butterflies have also been studied, but less is known about other parts of the animal kingdom. Some of the larger mammals found here include the dromedary camel, the Arabian thar, the Arabian wolf, the Arabian red fox, and fennec, the caracal, the striped hyena, the sandcat, the rock hyrax, and the cap hare. Let's know about the people and lifestyle of Saudi Arabia. The people live in towns and works as traders, executives, and they work in factories. People live in groups of nomads. Such groups are called Badayus. The traditional dress in Saudi Arabia is an long sleeve one piece robe that covers the body. Cotton head turban called dhutra. The costume for men is called the thawb and women wear long robes called abba. Industry and trade in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is one of the largest producers of petroleum in the world. It is an enchanting place with both old and new cities. Riyadh is the capital of country. Jeddah is a commercial city and a busy seaport. Mecca and the holy city of the Muslims. Muslims from all over the world visit the cities on a pilgrimage called Hajj. Here I will end up with my topic. If you like the video, kindly do like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a great day. Thank you all.